It's a real exciting day here at Vitalab in Johannesburg. We are hosting our conference and we are very lucky to have 70 delegates that is attending this conference. The conference will be over 2 days. The first day will be a workshop, just hysteroscopy workshop. We will be doing 4 cases and discussing the theory of these cases as well. And on the Saturday, we're moving to a generalized approach to fertility, just for our general gynecologists, what they see out there as well, and what we here at Vitalab will be seeing in our lab as well. We're very lucky to have over 5 countries represented in this conference, so it is well presented. It's a wide network of doctors that is supporting Vitalab, and we're very grateful for this as well. So we look into 2 days of fun, to have the good discussions and to discuss the theory behind how we effectively manage our fertility patients. So I hope you all have a great 2 days of learning.